Question number 14. Four identical resistors are connected as shown. Identical, which means what? All of them are having the same resistance. What is the current in X by current in Y? Problem is very simple to state. To solve, we need to solve. Okay, so therefore, now this resistance R. Such problems, what you need to do is you need to first find out what is the effective resistance. This is R, and this one would be equal to R by 2. So you get this. Okay, and this is the current over here. Let me call this current passing through this branch as I1, this branch is I2. And if you ask me how do you get this value of R by 2, I can do it like this over here. I can say this effective resistance, let me call this as RT. I will write 1 by RT is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R, which would be equal to 2 by R. RT is equal to R by 2. I replace this one with an R by 2. Okay, so now we have got all this. Now a current I passes over here. This is a parallel network. I can now say I1 into R is equal to I2 into, see this resistance here, it should be R plus R by 2, which should be 1.5 R, because R by 2 is 0.5 R, right? R plus 0.5 R is 1.5 R here. So this R and this R goes away. I can write I1 is equal to 1.5 times I2. I can mention something like this. So which means the current here is I2, current here is I2. When it comes here equal resistance, here it divides into I2 by 2 and I2 by 2. This I2 by 2 is called as IY, right? So what is he asking here? He is asking you this one. I will write IX divided by IY is equal to IX. What is IX here? IX, this is what I call this as I1 here. I write this as I1 here. And IY is nothing but I2 divided by 2. Now what do? I will write this once again as equal to I1 by I2, and this is half here, this 2 goes upwards. So I will write this into 2. Now from this expression, you see I1 by I2 is equal to 1.5. So I will substitute this value. 1.5 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 3. This is the characteristic. Okay, so very easy question, but only thing is you need to understand how to resolve such kind of